Hey everybody, Seth Smiley here with the Parents of Teen Drivers Facebook group. So, one of the most deadly things that a teen can do when they are behind the wheel, or anybody, is texting while driving. Okay, it's a huge deal. And it's one of those things that it's really hard to prevent. The best way to try to prevent something like this is to start them while they're young. Similar to what seatbelts were a couple generations ago. People who, when the laws were changed and they had to wear seatbelts, they didn't really want to, but the younger generations, they buckle up all the time for the most part. Well, the same is true with texting and driving. And so the iPhone has a setting that you can turn on. And basically, you go on your iPhone and you go to the settings tab, and you can go to, there's a do not disturb feature down here. See, do not disturb. You click on it, and then you scroll all the way down, and there is a do not disturb while driving, right? And so, as long as you have that on, and it's done either automatically or whenever the car is connected to Bluetooth or the phone's connected to Bluetooth, then it'll at least prompt the person behind the wheel, hey, look, this is on, and you need to turn it off manually in order to text or whatever. But otherwise, it'll prevent those phone calls or those texts from coming in or going out and potentially distracting drivers. It's not a foolproof plan, but it's something that can be done automatically. And the only way to get around it is to override it. And so then you can check your teen's phone from time to time and see if they're continuing to do that. And another, as we keep going through this, there are other apps and other things technology wise that you can do and put on your phone for your child to prevent them from doing things like this. But at the very least, like the default factory settings for newer iPhones allow parents to do those types of things. So again, Seth Smiley from the Smiley Law Firm here for the Parents of Teen Drivers Facebook group. Please comment below if you have any other suggestions, comments, or tips that work for your kids, because that is something that we can all learn from and benefit from. And I'm happy to explore and do a deeper dive into those. Thanks.